Let me put it on the floor. I don't know. Actually.
He doesn't know what to do.
Ollie, it's a bird. Look. Whoop. Do you like it? Come, give it a kiss. Give it a big old kiss. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. What you Don't run in my bedroom. Oliver. Oliver.
He's like, get the thing away from me.
He's gonna crap in his pants. Watch this. Oh, he's not wearing pants.
He's not wearing pants.
He's in there like.
He's gonna stay in there forever now. He's gonna forget it's there and then he's gonna try and come out.
Oh, Ollie. Ollie.
Oh my God. I wanna go down
He's
there.
in there doing contortions. You got him?
Yeah.
Oh, Ollie, you're so good looking.
Ollie, it's okay.
Oh, Ollie.
He's freaking out.
You're not going to crap right for a week. I'm sorry. It's all right. He saw the stupid thing. Said, well, I don't know what it is, but it's sitting up there on the... It's all right.
Oh,
Come on, buddy.
he's so scared.
I know. Come on. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just kidding. I play with him all the time like that.
Yeah.
You can use anything, like an old sock. It doesn't matter.